Hi, my name is Julia and welcome to another Presello open house tour. But first, make sure you hit like and click subscribe and click on the bell so you get notifications for whenever we release new videos. Alright, so right now we're in a new Quezon City townhouse near Del Monte Avenue. Alright, this is a big project, alright? And just how big is it? It's got more than 60 units. That kind of big. Alright, so right now we're looking at the ground floor and you've got your living, dining, and kitchen area, along with your maid's quarters and a toilet and bath, not a powder room. So I mentioned this because not all projects have these areas on the ground floor. A lot of them these days have theirs on the second floor. So if this is the kind of townhouse or home that you're looking for, this is worth checking out. So numbers. You've got about 313 to 408 square meters in floor area and 114 to around 209 square meters in lot area. And that's with a 2 to 4 car garage. It's pretty big. All right, but all these numbers, all these details, you have to see the rooms, right? So let's head up. The second floor opens up to the family room. So it's a nice and intimate area where your family can gather, watch TVs without having to be bothered by visitors downstairs if ever. But more importantly, this floor leads to the master suite, which is so big it literally takes up half the floor. But what's even bigger is its walk-in closet and its toilet and bath with his and hers sinks. I mean, no joke, it's literally half the floor. Okay, let's head up. And on the third floor, we've got the rest of the bedrooms. So over here, we've got bedroom number 2. So it's a regular room, it doesn't have its own toilet and bath, but it is pretty spacious. And over here, we've got bedroom number 3. So this is a room you could consider as another master suite because it has its own toilet and bath as well, and it is pretty big. However, of course, the room downstairs is much bigger. And finally, we've got bedroom number 4. This, by the way, is the common toilet and bath for both bedrooms number 4 and number 2. Alright, so to cap it off, you have this 300 to 400 square meter floor area house in a huge compound that is perfect for raising kids, with its full-size basketball court and big swimming pool. And of course, we can't forget you have your 24-hour security in a very nice neighborhood. So if you want to see this for yourself, make sure you send us a message through our Facebook or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello.